Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP Envy 6032 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for HP Envy 6032 drivers into Google. And one of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP Envy 6032 all-in-one printer software. Open that up. Then you want to scroll down here and you want to select the item that says installation software and full/basic driver support. Should be a download in here. Select the download option. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open that file up to extract the items. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen setup wizard here, depending on your configuration preferences. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.